Do you want to learn how to combine and blend photos in Canva? With this simple tutorial, you will learn how to do it with a simple and creative solution. With my Canva open, I'm gonna choose the size I want to use on my image. In my case, I'm gonna click here on custom size on this format, and I'm going to click here on create new design. With my title design created, you have to upload your photos to your project. Click here on uploads and drag the media that you want to upload here. Like this. Now drag the photo like this and adjust it. Now I'm going to add a page, clicking here, and I'm going to do the same thing but now with the other image. Once you adjusted the two images like this, you're gonna click here on elements and you're gonna type at the search bar for gradient. Click here on graphics. I'll choose this. Now I'm going to change its color, clicking here, and you have to select the white color. Now rotate it at 19 degrees and scale it up like this. Drag it a little. Now keep duplicating your gradient until it is the way you want. Now I'm gonna select it all and I'm gonna group, clicking here. Once you grouped it, press Ctrl plus C, go at the second image and press Ctrl plus V. Now click on ungroup, click out and delete the original image. Now you have just the gradient at your second image. Rotate it and rotate the other one too, and drag until you find it's smooth. Like this. I think that's good. Now all you have to do is download your images separately. How are you gonna do it? You're gonna click here on share, scroll down, click on download. Once you're here at this page, make sure you're selecting the file type PNG. Now here on select pages, you're gonna click on it and you're gonna unmark this. Now check just the page 1 and click on done. Now click on download. Now do it again, but this time select just the page 2. Click on done and on download. Now you can delete this page. You can delete all of this too. Now you have a blank design again. Go again at uploads and upload your new photo. Select the first one, adjust it. Select the second one, adjust it. Now here at transparency, change this value like this. You can see that your image is merged right now, but it's too clear. Continue the process, clicking here on share and downloading the image the way it is. Now delete these things again and upload your new image. Click on it and adjust it. Now click on edit photo, click on adjust, go at light and change these values like this. Decrease the brightness, increase the contrast and adjust it like you want. Let's change saturation a little, increase the vibrance. So basically that's it. The last thing you need to do is click here on share and download it again. If you had any doubt or want to make a compliment or a suggestion, please use the comment section below. And if this process and tutorial helped you, consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Bye!